everyone. This week I felt really compelled to share a message of encouragement with you. With September coming to a close and it being Suicide Awareness Month, I just wanted to share what was on my heart. I really want you to know today that you are valuable and important. I wish I could put my hands on your face and let you know that you have great worth and your life matters. You may feel alone today, but I want you to know that there are so many people that care about you and love you. You have so many gifts and so many talents, and you are here for a purpose. You have so much to offer this world, and you are needed. Please know that whatever you're going through, that you can get through this and things can get better. If you're struggling today, please reach out and tell someone. They will thank you for reaching out, and I truly feel that you will feel better by doing so. If you know someone that's struggling, please share this message with them and encourage them today. My passion is to share hope and to help others get through the tough times. Thank you for joining me today. See you soon.